Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Quick one. This is the Mastermind and New Era collaboration. Just came out July 2025. Comes with this uninteresting packet. And this is the Polo t-shirt. Alright, I got it in size XL. So you can see here right in front, the print Mastermind Japan. Pretty nice print there. Black and white. Nice dual tone. Black and white. And let's look at the tags, which is important. Got the Mastermind Tokyo. Yeah, Mastermind Tokyo. 12,000 yen retail price. Then you got the tag here, New Era, extra large. All right, pretty dope. Then you got the buttons here. What does it say? New Era. Okay, there you go. And there's some extra tags here I've seen. Right, legit check your stuff. Right, so you got extra button here, New Era. You got this special edition New Era cap, New Era Japan special tags. Okay, special material, cotton, more tags. Oh, pretty cool. So you got the UV protection, cotton, the antimicrobial cotton, and superior cooling. So plenty of features of this polo shirt. You're right. So plus tax is 13,200. All right. So I find the New Era collaborations with Mastermind tend to be a lot budget friendly. And that's a good thing. You got the New Era here, and then at the back, you got another print of the skeleton. Mastermind Japan branding at the back, right? So anything on the right sleeve? Nope, it's just the left sleeve with the New Era logo. And yeah, I think this is pretty dope. All right, let's see where this is made in. I think it's made in China. They just put Mastermind Tokyo there. All right, made in China. So it's got polyester and all that beautiful material to make it a little bit more special, a little bit more expensive. But otherwise, 13,000 yen is not too much for a Mastermind Polo tee. And yeah, hope you like the video. It's a short one just to highlight a new cop for the day. Yeah, keep my YouTube channel alive. All right, catch you guys later. Bye.